Hi guys, finally we have reached Statue of Unity. First you need to park your vehicle, which is almost about 5 kilometers away. They don't allow you to take your car to the Statue of Unity. So here you can see that we have parked our car here. So from here you need to take their own bus, which is service available out there. So we are just going towards to catch our bus. So here a lot of been cars, huge crowd, thousands of cars has been already parked. So we have reached very late. It's almost around 12:30 p.m. now. So let's see, let's experience the Statue of Unity. So you can see there is a different vehicles here. I think might be an electric vehicles here. Let's see where does they will go, even I am not sure. So let's see. So the name they have kept is Unity e-rickshaws. So that's a very good thing. So you can just see around. Wow, nice, good security. FC Bank branding is done. So if you want to do a river drafting, that facility is much available here. If you are wow. As of now, so far it's good. With me I have Mr. Karan, the solid guy. Mumbai ka Don hai ye. No, we are just checking. Does the auto also take us to the near Unity of Statue of Unity? So let's ask him. एक बार ना. So guys, I just asked the auto rickshaw wala. So they are allowing 3 people in each auto. So they are charging about 110 rupees. So let us check about the prices of the bus. I am not that aware, so my people are checking out there. So let me see how much they will charge. So which level will be the better, so we cannot get inside that particular transportation. So guys, I'm just gonna show you the ticket prices. So it is like this Statue of Unity, where you can just see top. So the ticket rates, viewing the Gallery Express ticket, 1030 rupees per visitor. So you can just directly skip the queue. And the next is viewing gallery general ticket. So it is 230 rupees, who are between 3 to 15 years child, and 380 rupees for adults. And enter ticket including the viewing gallery. So it's a different level of entry what they have. So I'll just gonna put the poster also in the video. You can just check out for more details. So as of now, I think the bus tickets are free, but you just need to collect the tickets from here to just enter. You can just see backside me. I'm just gonna show you. So the tickets are free. So they are just collecting the tickets here. So so we finally decided to go buy
electric car.
Unity e-rickshaw. The name they are making it almost a brand. So let's get in. This is the entry. You can just see up to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel there. So here is the entrance. So let's see. We are just getting inside. There is a huge security here. My God, it's just awesome. World's tallest. Say hi. See, these people are saying hi. Thank you, guys. Guys, there is a huge tight security here. You can just see around. So they are just busy, but I think it's very hard that the unknown people cannot get inside until unless there is an ticket for you people. So there is a lot of hoardings where the security hoardings and what needs to be followed inside this place. Particularly, so there is a security check here. Every ticket will be punched in the QR code, which will be get verified, and there is a ladies entry and the gents entry is different, which you need to go and follow the rules. That is must here. So yeah, there is so many security checks which you need to, if you want to go and see the world's largest statue here. Guys, the good thing about this place is that you don't need to even walk because we go almost far away, I think more than 500 meters. So what they have used their brains and made this escalator to make your life again as smoother, and it is worth paying that 150 rupees. All the way from the entry gate to here, it is being maintained so clean. Where and going in the escalator from the right side and the left It's a huge one. Opposite side there's a river. On the river, I think they have built it so good. So you can see this one. Oh my God! I'll just show you. Backside. This is the backside, but it's a huge which I couldn't capture on the camera.